Today we're going to talk about creating a custom landscape for you. Everybody is different and everybody likes things unique. And Liz, you've got some thoughts on doing this.
We've had some customers that maybe didn't like so much lawn. So we took their front lawn that was kind of a shady area and we developed that into a really unique evergreen garden with some stones and some different, it has almost like an Asian kind of look, Asian garden look to it. That really reflected their personal taste. Or, maybe you're somebody that uses the backyard more. So you really want to focus your time and your budget on that project.
Yeah, some people just like unique gardens, and the backyards are always fun because you can do some of these unusual plants that you look at close up rather than trying to make it look good for the car
curb
driving
appeal.
by. Right. Okay.
And there's many different types of patios. If you're somebody that spends a lot of time out back during the summer, there's natural stone, there's pavers.
And some of the most unique created landscapes are there to solve problems.
Right.
Sometimes we have drainage problems or seating problems or spatial issues, and getting creative, we can come up with some nice solutions for you.
Right. So in our landscape consultations, we often ask people, how do you see yourself using the space so that we can get some good ideas on how to customize it specifically for you. So if you've got a unique project idea and you're looking for some guidance and maybe some installation, give us a call. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.